Now we're going to go over proper maintenance and care of your Spectre 8-watt solar panel. If you notice that the panel is being covered by dust or debris, you occasionally may need to clean off your panel. You can do so by using a slightly damp microfiber towel or other cloth. On the back, the other thing you want to check is ensure that there are no debris within either your USB or USB-C port. This is the most sensitive area of the entire solar panel, and you want to keep it clear of water, dust, and debris if possible. To properly store your solar panel, please snap the buttons on the side together and store in this format. This protects your solar cells that are now within the center of your Spectre 8-watt solar panel. You can then store it in a bag or wherever you decide to store your Spectre 8-watt. If you run into any issues or have any questions regarding your Spectre 8-watt solar panel, please email us at support@darkenergy.com. Thank you.